Guys, good morning. Welcome to my vlog, Rose Emily's vlog and my reels. For today's video guys, punta tayo ng Malaysia. One day lang naman guys. Pasyal-pasyal at may gala tayo doon. May bibilhin din at tsaka mag-relax din guys. Magpamasahe doon. Kung ano pang gagawin natin. Mamaya, samahan niyo ako. Pakita ko sa iyo kung anong gagawin natin at ipasyal ko kayo doon sa Malaysia. Dawi na ako guys, magbabas ako papuntang interchange, pero mag-change ata kami ng bus ng kalig ko. Kasama ko yung kalig ko guys, si Marian. See you later mamaya sa bus. Or ewan ko kung makapag ako sa bus kasi alam mo na maraming tao. See you later. Before anything pala guys, ang dala ko isang bag lang. Pero yan ito lang ang bag dala ko. Ayan, isang bag lang. Tapos meron naman kong dyan na yung na bag na extra na para sa mga bibilhin ko mamaya. At saka of course ang passport, hindi talaga mawawala yung passport. Passport natin. Yan ang passport natin, Singapore passport. Hindi ito mawawala. Number 1 talaga yan kasi magta-travel tayo. Of course, mamaya na lang ako magpalit ng ringgit guys. Meron akong ringgit dito, konti lang. Sa loob ng bag ko. At saka di ba may dala akong disposable para mamaya may bibilhin ako. Mamaya pakita ko sa iyo yung red. Nakikita naman yan yung vlogs ko nung nakaraan na papunta ako ng Malaysia. Bigay yan ng friend ko si Marian. Kasi yung time na yun wala akong dalang bag. Nako sa okay. Sa bus na ako. Yan, papunta ng the interchange. Sortihan kasi madali lang ang bus. Ang bilis lang ng bus. See you mamaya i-meet ko yung friend ko mamaya guys. Yes. Ay hindi, lang. Oo, mamaya para papunta ko ng Ay, yung friend ko. Hi. Wow, ang ganda. Welcome to SG. Welcome back again. Wow. Hindi ko akalain nagkikita kami dito sa bus. Biglaan na. Oo. Ang friend ko rin yun. Yung isa kong friend, wala, na rin siya, na wala na rin ng trabaho. Bye-bye. Where's Mary? Mary. Dito na ako. Wait ko muna yung friends ko, guys. Guys, wait ko yung friend ko. Wow, hindi ko akalain magkikita kami ni Sisters. Magkikita kami ni Sisters. Wait ko muna yung friend ko. Ito basta po. Isa Tampines. What this one like? You see? You see? This one looks like you see the Marina Bay Sands like that. That's
Marina Bay office.
like Marina Bay Sands, you see the roof. Very nice, eh? You see? Oh, you never go there, eh?
No, but you won't want to go.
Huh? Why? Not nice?
No, to go back down very far.
No, I mean next time we go on together. Right?
Here?
Yeah, we go IKEA there or home or Polish. Actually, so the IKEA here is very big, right?
Yeah, of course.
Then the food also nice, right? I go there very long time already. That time you can put the children below.
You recording, you can talk.
Yeah.
You talking, then you see that.
The talking, I also got music. Even I talk also no point also. IKEA home office. Woodlands Avenue 5. Yeah. This one's is here. The one is MRT there.
Which one?
Yeah.
Some bus stop. Why MRT?
Yeah lah, MRT there. Woodlands Avenue. You go to the
so
closest.
You must
Huh?
take so
Very near only.
ready.
Ready go.
Mak esek go.
Ah.
The 3 o'clock lah, you know.
Huh? The tree, yeah. Yan na. We're going down there, right?
No, you go down lah. I go inside the interchange.
We're going down there, right? I interchange there.
Okay, now the MRT.
Ah, yeah, MRT. But no MRT. Okay. No MRT here. Give me your hand, darling. Woodlands. Oh, go inside there. Yes, we go inside the Woodlands MRT. Well, very nice in the front because you can see the view. Yes, toilet here. This is Focus Point Metro. See that? Wow. Woo! Causeway Point. Four Finger, McDonald's, or Old Chunky, 7-Eleven. Woodlands. We are now in Woodlands. Woodlands. Woodlands corner. We're going to manage. We're now in Woodlands. Woodlands. We're going to money changer. Change money first. Change money. Ito na pala guys, napalitan ko na yung ringgit ko. 156.25. 550 ringgit. Guys, nasa bus na ako papuntang Johor Bahru, Malaysia. Pupunta na kami din ng KSL mamaya. Mag-change lang kami ng bus mamaya pagdating doon sa Johor. Johor Bahru, Malaysia. See you. Guys, on the way na kami sa Malaysia, Johor Bahru. Kami sa na yung bridge guys. Ayan, lang yan sa Tulu-Tulu, Singapore at saka papuntang Johor Bahru, Malaysia. Yes, see you. Salamat sa pag-watch ng vlogs ko guys. Going to take bus. Outside. Wow, Singapore. ESL. Going to KSL City. 1 ringgit 50 cents, guys. 1 ringgit 50 cents. Yan. So many mo. Welcome to Johor Bahru, Malaysia. Yes. Bus pa kami papuntang KSL, guys. Nakita nyo naman yung fare niya, 1 ringgit and 50 cents. Mura lang, guys, papunta doon sa KSL. At saka mabilis lang yung guys, 10 minutes lang. Yung paghintay lang ng bus medyo matagal. Buti nga pagdating namin doon sa pagbaba namin sa galing immigration, nandiyan na ang bus. Yan, makikita nyo ang view, ang ganda, oh. Daming bahay, oh. Parang magkapareho yung bahay. Kulay at saka mga anong design. Ayan, may building. Makikita mo naman ng para ding pina-style yung dito sa Johor Bahru, Malaysia. Ayan, polisiya nila dito, guys. Police Diraja, Malaysia. Ayan. Malapit na kami sa KSL. Ayan, madaanan mo dito, guys, ang ano ba to? Pilangi. Plaza Pilangi. Now at KSL City. KSL Hype Outlet. KSL. Wow, very nice. KSL now. We are now at KSL. Tikal. See?